What's going on, ladies and gents? Welcome back to the channel where we deep dive into the exciting world of male fashion and masculinity. I'm your host, Taikyo Kills. Style Creators brand GLF and Fleur has done yet another collaboration with Lacoste. This would be their second collaboration, with their first being in 2019. The aesthetic of this collection is still very reminiscent of Tyler's Call Me If You Get Lost era. I saw some pieces that I liked, saw some stuff that wasn't really my style, but the stuff that I did like, I copped. So we're going to be unboxing those, doing a light try on, and doing an overview of the two pieces. Without further ado, I'm going to shut up so you guys can see what you came for. You know what, let me do it that way so you guys won't see where I live, right? I got the packing label on the other side. So as you guys can see, fresh unboxing, no trickery here. All right, so check out the box, it's nice, no lie. Yo. So here's the box, got two things. I'm curious as to how they got them both inside, but let's find out. This box is long. I need to look at getting a new table for these unboxing videos. Yo, okay, so let me turn that around. Wow, right off the back, we've got the logo bellboy. Of course, we got, oh, welcome to the disco. Let's go. Guys, get a close in on that. This actually reminds me of when I went to the event. We got these little manila envelopes that came with every piece that we got. So I'm not sure if he actually sent those out when he started, distributing them online, but we actually got some that kind of look very similar to this. Came with the Digi leopard print paper as well. So here are the pieces. Nice. They came with hangers. Okay, that's one. So if you guys can see, I've got the jacket and the matching pants set. French waltz, another French waltz. Look, I don't need another French waltz. I've waltzed as much as I could waltz. I'm waltzed out, all right? All right, so let's go ahead and get these open so you guys can see them. This is the Harrington jacket, and as you can see, it comes packaged very well in a Lacoste bag. Now, mine included a hanger. I'm not sure if that was on purpose or not, but mine did come with a hanger. We'll do a scan down the front of the jacket. As you can see, it's got multiple tags, one being that pink GLF and Fleur angel, another being a GLF and Fleur Lacoste collaboration tag. Here's a good close-up view of the pattern of the jacket, which I want to talk about later when we get to the pants. At a glance, this may look like the regular Lacoste logo, but it's actually got La Fleur written on the inside. Now, I actually like this idea because it was very minimalistic and it doesn't stand out too much on the piece itself. Onto the zipper portion, again, very minimalistic. As you can see, it's just got La Fleur and Lacoste written on the inside. I do like it's kind of different in the sense that they have it in the shape of a ring. Onto the pockets, as you can see, they're very nice as well. They're welted down. On the inside, they have contrasting material. It's in gold, and I believe it's rayon as well. Featured at the bottom, we've got some La Fleur Lacoste logo labeling, as well as at the top in the inside of the jacket. We got some more of that rayon featured on the interior of the jacket, and it's in a luxurious pink. Like the interior of the pockets, it also contrasts the jacket very well. Now, this, in my opinion, is the best part of the jacket, and that is the actual pearls that are featured in the sleeves as well as the bottom back of the jacket. Now, on the bottom back, they're not actually adjustable, but on the sleeves they are. So that's good to keep in mind if you want to tighten your sleeves. Onto the trousers. Now, just to kind of point out, they have these labeled as checkered trousers, but these are actually houndstooth, and checkered and houndstooth patterns are very different. So if you're buying these in mind with them being checkered, they are not. I suggest you look up what houndstooth is, or you can just look here. Like with the jacket, as you can see, the trousers also feature that La Fleur Lacoste collab logo. Now, the pockets are stitched closed, but with some small scissors, you can open them up. They are actual functional pockets. Now, here you see the pleats. They are double pleated, so they're not like the season 1 triple pleated trousers. Here at the bottom, they are pre-cuffed already, like the original season 1 trousers as well. I believe the back pockets are functional, but I did forget to check. Here you see the La Fleur logo pedal on the back, just like the OG trousers. Here we got some La Fleur Lacoste labeling going on the inside. Also some Geneva blue colorway going on the inside of the waistband, and a hidden logo on the inside. Now let's get the try on popping. So with the checkered trousers, they fit pretty well. They're made from 70% polyester, 30% rayon. They're made in Romania and they cost $2.95. I definitely recommend going true to size on these as well. And keep in mind, these aren't checkered, even though they say it, they're actually houndstooth. The Harrington jacket is pretty light. It's made from 70% polyester, 30% rayon. Also made in Romania and costs $4.98. Now I recommend you go a size down if you want something a little more snug before a more boxy fit. Definitely size up. I think I might actually return this and go one more size up myself. So that's gonna do it for today's video. As always, I appreciate you all for tuning in. Make sure you hit that like button if you liked the video. Drop a comment, let me know what you all liked from the collection, what you didn't like. And if you're new here, consider hitting that subscribe button. Taikyo Kills has been real. Catch you guys on the next video.